Imagine hitting the open road in a machine that doesn't just move, you glide. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in comfort and power. Under the hood, you'll find a next-gen hybrid electric drivetrain, built for both sustainability and strength. A 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine pairs seamlessly with dual electric motors, delivering over 350 horsepower and a towing capacity that laughs in the face of mountains. Whether you're cruising coastal highways or navigating through steep mountain passes, the intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling and impressive traction. And with Volvo's cutting-edge battery regeneration system, you'll get up to 600 miles of total range, combining electric and fuel efficiency in perfect harmony. Smooth, silent, and powerful. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a sanctuary on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that feels more like a Scandinavian hotel suite than a camper. Volvo brings its signature minimalist luxury into every inch of the motorhome. Soft touch, sustainable materials, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic roof that lets nature pour in. This is elegance in motion. The living space features a modular seating and sleeping arrangement, a fully equipped kitchenette with smart appliances, and a bathroom that feels spacious and refined. There's also a 32-inch infotainment screen integrated with Google Assistant, Spotify, navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Climate control, fully automated. Storage, hidden and abundant. Everything is designed to be smart, sleek, and serene, turning long drives into moments of pure comfort and short stays into unforgettable retreats. So when can you hit the road in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome? Official production begins in late 2025, with first deliveries expected by spring 2026. Pre-orders have already opened in select regions, and anticipation is sky-high. As for pricing, the base model starts at $112,000, but with optional luxury upgrades like solar panels, extended battery packs, or Volvo's bespoke wood trim interiors, you could be looking at closer to $130,000 fully equipped. But for what it offers, it's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury lifestyle. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome blends innovation, comfort, and performance like no other. It's built for those who crave freedom, demand safety, and won't settle for anything less than exceptional. Ready to experience the future of adventure travel? This Volvo is waiting to take you there.